Okay, you're watching Tech. 1 week before we created the community post regarding paranoid Android build for the OnePlus 6, and the day came, I have flashed this unofficial build by the developer Weritos. This is the first AOSP CAF based Android 13 ROM which comes with the Qualcomm drivers which are specially optimized for the Snapdragon 845. Today we'll do the full in-depth review of this ROM, its flashing, what's new we get in the ROM, its performance, and finally I shown some bugs with my final verdict, so watch the video till the end. As this is a CAF source-based ROM, flashing is somewhat tricky this time because formatting data is necessary, so if you are coming from any other ROM you must follow this tutorial. Download the ROM zip file, TWRP image file, place them in the PC in the platform tools of the C drive or on the desktop. Your phone's bootloader must be unlocked and USB debugging must be enabled. Now power off the device, then long press the volume up plus power button. Phone will boot to the fast boot mode. Connect it to the PC, go to the folder where you placed all the files. Now press shift key of keyboard plus right click of mouse and select open command prompt here from the drop down menu. Now in the CMD type fastboot devices, then type fastboot boot and drag the TWRP image in the CMD and hit enter. Phone will boot to the new TWRP. Now tap advanced, select install current TWRP. Once done, tap wipe, select format data, type yes. Now reboot back to the TWRP. In the TWRP, tap advanced, select 8GB side load and slide the bottom slider. Now again connect phone to the PC. In the same CMD window, type 8GB side load and drag the ROM zip file in the CMD and hit enter. You will see the flashing of ROM starts in the CMD. Once you get the successful message in the TWRP, remove the cable. Ignore any error if it gets in the CMD. Select format data in the TWRP. Once done, tap reboot to the system. So flashing is done here. Now without further ado, let's get started. After flashing the ROM, phone started to boot into the amazing boot animation of legendary ROM called as Paranoid Android, which is only meant for the OnePlus devices. It's a pure AOSP CAF based ROM which has amazing performance and the stability. Now let's jump to the about phone to check the details of the new ROM. Here you can see this is the Paranoid Android Topaz, but it's an unofficial build. In the Android version, this is the Android 13 based build with the latest Easter egg of Android 13. Security patches of January 2023. Kernel version is 4.9.336 which is specially built by the developer Terminator J. Build date of ROM is 13 January 2023. So ROM is based on the latest sources of Android 13 Beta 2 QPST2 along with the latest Qualcomm optimized drivers. As this is initial build based on the new drivers, we need to check all the basic functions like Wi-Fi hotspot, GPS, NFC, OnePlus alert slider, auto brightness, all are working very good without any issues. But the Bluetooth has some issues that we will discuss in the bug section of the video, so stay tuned. Fingerprint sensor with the face unlock feature, both are working and they are very fast and accurate. Hey Google voice activation is working and it seems that in all the latest build from the Rise Droid, Hey Google issue has been fixed. It's working for both the off-screen and on-screen modes. Google Photos application has the unlimited photo backup feature working. Next I did all the sensor tests like the accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, gyroscope, compass, all are working fine. Other important features like the ear proximity, microphone, ear speakers, multi-touch, display, all are absolutely fine and working well. Most important part is called as safety net and it's passing in the ROM so we can run all the banking and security related applications without any issues. It's a own fix by the Weritos. The pure AOSP ROMs didn't add such implementations. Device storage is encrypted. Device is Play Protect certified. Now it's time for the camera review. As usual, like other ROMs by the Weritos, he added the OnePlus gallery and the OnePlus camera in the ROM. Camera has all the features working well like 4K 60fps recording, portrait mode for the front and the back camera, nightscape mode, professional mode, all are fully working, slow motion working, and here is a sample. Time-lapse panorama mode are working. Other advanced settings can be found under the settings option. So camera is fully working in this ROM. Now it's time for the performance test. Overall ROM seems very fluid and fast as this is the CAF based ROM with the Qualcomm drivers. Usually it feels blazing fast, it runs all the applications on the 60 Hz continuously without any frame drops, even while using the camera application. When I ran the Geekbench test, I got the score of 509 and 1975. This score is not the highest as compared to the other ROMs, but still is pretty very good. Till the date, only Rise.V10 has the highest result I got. You can check its video from the iCard. For Hulcum Graphics API, I got the score of 1863. This is also the same result that we got for the other ROMs. Overall initial impression of ROM is very good and it's freaking fast and smooth. Now it's time to show you the basic customizations. As ROM is pure AOSP ROM, we get very few features. Like under display, we get the live display setting. Here we get the different color profiles, color modes, display anti-flicker toggle, color calibrations and the picture adjustment setting. Under the system and gesture setting, we get all the basic features of the Pixel devices like system navigation, one-handed mode, playback control, etc. But one unique feature that I didn't see in any of the ROM is the screen off gesture. Actually, it's a double tap on the off-screen mode to access different activities like waking up the device, controlling the music playback, toggling the flashlight, airplane mode, accessing the camera, etc. It seems pretty useful to access the important feature by just double tapping on the off screen of the device. OnePlus Extra is also added by the developer here in the ROM. Here we get the different alert slider custom features, CPU efficient work use toggle to save the battery, ambient display pocket mode, DC dimming, who gets the slider setting for the microphone and the earpiece gain, system vibration haptics, etc. All these useful stuffs were added by the developer along with the basic features of the ROM. So we discussed all the things, now it's time for the bugs and the issues. I did not find lots of the bugs, but most common issue I got is the widevine is on L3, so we can't able to stream the Netflix and the Amazon Prime at the full HD resolution. This issue is actually present in all the custom ROMs, still I am mentioning it here for the newcomers who are watching my videos first time. Major bug that I got may be deal breaking for you is the Bluetooth device is connecting with the Bluetooth, but I can't able to hear any sound in the device. Like I connected my Oppo Ekno M31, but still I can't able to hear any audio in my earphones. I tried to enable the toggle called as disable A2DP offload in the developer setting and rebooted the device, still this issue is persisting here. Except these bugs, I didn't find any issues. Maybe developer will release hotfix update to solve the Bluetooth issue soon. As per my first impression, this ROM is purely JM because it's only meant for the OnePlus devices with lots of optimizations, and developer has added more stuff like CAF based source ROM, features like the OnePlus Extras, OnePlus Camera, Gallery, Safety Net, etc. So definitely you should give at least one try for this ROM. So that's it for today guys. If you think this video helped you, then please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.